All set, ready to race. Away they go. Uzi from the outside as schematics. Down on the inside, Queen Star in the middle, Chowderhead. Down on the inside is Don Eduardo's best rain dancer, Tatara, while for A4 Supra is the early trailer. Queen Star by some 2 lengths, followed by Lucy. Don Eduardo's best running down on the inside alongside Schematics as they run the 3/4 mile distance. The favorite Queen Star leads by some 2 lengths. Lucy. Don Eduardo's best by the Rail Racing Import by some 4 lengths. Schematics, Chowderhead, Tatara, Rain Dancer, Quattro, Supra, working towards the back. Queen Star by 3/4 of a length. Lucy. Don Eduardo's best racing in third by some 3 lengths and moving up by the Red Chowderhead, Schematics, Tatara, Quattro, Super Rain Dancer. Rounding the far turn, Queen Star by a length and a half. Lucy. Don Eduardo's best down on the inside. Last 450. Don Eduardo's best. Now the leader. Queen Star, Lucy from the outside and moving up is Tatara as they raise the last 250. Don Eduardo's best by some 4 lengths now, followed by Tatara from the outside. Queen Star, Chowderhead, and for A4 Supra. Last 50 meters more to run. Number 4, Don Eduardo's best. Second, Tatara for A4 Supra, Queen Star, Chowderhead, Rain Dancer, Lucy, and Schematics comes last.